Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, and today we're going to take a look in the box of the KitchenAid 4.5 quart mixer. The thing is not light. They do offer different sizes that you can grab here, of course. So this one is 4.5 quarts. It actually comes with a few different accessories as well. This one is this bluish looking color, really cool, like retro type teal. Box here says get 25% off when you register, so you can get all these different attachments if you're looking to do that. So this thing is very heavy and will give you a nice workout for sure when you're taking it out of wherever you have it stored. And check this out. Look at that mint color. Really awesome looking color to this. So I'm gonna go ahead, unlock this, show you how it tilts. So you unlock it with that slide there, and then these will come out. So you put it up and then you can twist it. So you can see this comes with it. That's the mixer tool. And you got like a bread mixer tool that it comes with, pretty cool. And then this one is the other one that it comes with there. So you can do all types of different things. This is your accessory port right here. So you unscrew that, that comes out, and then it provides your accessory a way to get connected to the motor. When you're all done, you just put that right back in, slides in place, then you screw it down. Normal power plug. When you pick it up, make sure it is locked in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. So this is the Ultra Power Plus model. You got a stir function, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the different speeds. You can get an idea. For all the different settings there. For all the different types of things you wanna make in the mixer. This is, something that everyone should have in their kitchen. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And I will see you guys real soon.